Hello, this is Dr. Mahavir Modi. I am a pulmonologist, lung specialist working in Pune, Ruby Hall Clinic for last 18 years. Today I am going to discuss about a new equipment or a new development in the technology which is called as impulse oscillometry or IOS. So you all must be aware that during COVID, we all are giving a lot of importance to our lungs. Up till now, the primary area of interest was always on the heart. But somehow, we all have understood that with our each breath, lungs are the system which are basically get affected. So to protect our lungs from noxious stimuli as well as from the allergens, we have to take utmost care. And by chance, if you have a strong family history of asthma, we need to go to a pulmonologist or a case specialist like me, where we can do a lung function test. Now, you must have seen a lot of videos, you must have heard about this lung function test or PFT or spirometry as the devices. But we all are aware that it's a test where you have to blow in a computerized system in a very forceful way. So when you breathe in a forceful way, then the machine will be able to interpret how much is your total lung capacity. But just imagine about in children, because children, those who are especially less than 6 or 7 years of age group, and the geriatric age group people, those who are more than 60, 65 years of age group. So these people, they are not able to do your PFT or lung function test. So if you ask them to hold the device in their mouth and to blow out forcefully, they won't be able to do it. So, how do you measure lung capacity in these patients? It's always a challenge, but I am thankful to the newer and newer technology and development in this particular aspect of testing lung capacity. And this particular test is called impulse oscillometry. It's a very simple and unique test, and I am proud to say that Modi Clinic at Dhankavadi Center, we are the first and the only center in Pune at present which have this IOS as a system. So any pediatric age group patient or parents, those who are listening to me, if you feel that your child has having a lot of cough, he gets wheezing in the chest, especially with change in season, whenever there is a climatic change, they catch cold and then the cold goes inside and it takes long time for the cold to recover. So these are all symptoms of asthma. And if you want to confirm whether these patients have asthma, instead of doing a spirometry test, which needs a lot of patient cooperation, they have to do forceful breathing maneuver. So there is a test which is available at me, that is impulse oscillometry. It's a simple test where you just put this machine in the patient's mouth and the patient will be breathing normally. So they are not doing any kind of effort in breathing. And in this normal tidal breathing, what we call it, the machine is sending certain kind of sound waves. So sound waves are sent inside, and these sound waves, they are absorbed by the lungs. And depending upon your airway functions, for example, the patient those who are having asthma. So in asthma, what happens that there is a lot of bronchoconstriction, or your airway pipe, it becomes smaller in caliber. It becomes tightly, it goes into a spasm, and because of which there is a lot of resistance for the air to come out as well as to take in. So when these sound waves, they travel across this obstructed or the narrowed bronchi or the air pipe, so they again transmit the signals. So these signals are caught by the machine, that is the impulse oscillometry machine, and then it is interpreted by a software inside the computerized system, by which we can come to know how much is the child's lung capacity. And then we give certain kind of medicines called inhaler medicines, what are actually used for asthma treatment. And then we again test this impulse oscillometry test, and if the patient's lungs or the airway are getting better after this bronchodilation, we can confirm that the child is having asthma. So isn't science is really fascinating that we are having a test where just by putting a simple instrument inside the patient's mouth and doing a simple tidal breathing, you can come to know the lung function for kids or for children. For more information, you can visit my website at www.modiclinic.com. and you will be able to get information like this. This is how the machine of iOS looks like. Although it's a mirror image, I know that you won't be able to read through this, but this is how the machine of iOS looks like. And these are certain kind of graphs or what we get in these patients. Thank you so much, and let me know. I am always available for any kind of your comments or for your valuable feedbacks. Thank you, and have a safe monsoon, and do take care of your lungs, especially from COVID. Thank you.